What is going on, guys, and welcome back. So in this video we're going to be moving on with our homepage. Okay, we're going to design our homepage, and then after that when we'll design this, we're going to move on to our this section, that is the menu section. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's hit this, sorry, the footer section. Let's go ahead and let's hit this, and let's go to the main page, and we basically want to edit this whole page. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to hit edit page. Okay, and here I'll be taken to the edit page section. What I have to do right now is that I have to go down, and here in the content layout where it says the default one, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna hit 100% full width. Okay, and for the sidebar, just leave it as it is. The margins should be disabled. Okay, let's go ahead and let's hit update. Okay, and let's view our page. So here we go. You can see that we have made our full vid section right here. And I basically want to remove this title as well because I want to add some stuff right here. I want to make this look amazing. So I also want to remove this as well. So I'm going to go to the title section, and the display title should be disabled. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to hit update right now. And let's go here and let's refresh this. Here we go. You can see that everything here has been disabled right here. So I can now manage my website completely. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna come here and I'm gonna hit edit with Elementor. And what it is gonna do, it's gonna take me to the plugin page, and this plugin is gonna do the best job. You guys are gonna love this plugin, seriously guys. Here we go. You can see that it has now taken us to this page where we can manage this whole plugin, and we can add some stuff. You can see we have columns, heading, image, text editor, and everything. We're gonna work with this in the upcoming video, so stay tuned guys, and this is going to be so much fun. So stay tuned and bye bye.